YOLO.
Yes. Hey, this is Ed. I just wanted to call and say thanks. Back in...
Are you in sales?
No.
Oh, the way you answer the phone, I'm like, is this a sales call right now?
No. I'm a restaurant manager.
Got it. You got the personability part about it, so keep going, man. I appreciate you calling.
Yeah, no problem, man. Like, I just saw you were getting frustrated on the live, so I just wanted to call and say thank you. Because, so, back in the end of December, I had COVID and pneumonia, went to the hospital, got admitted because it was respiratory failure. And at the time, like, I didn't think I was even going to pull through from it.
Jesus.
And I was 365 when I went into the ER. And as I was in the hospital, I was watching your lives. And I told myself, if I get out from this, I'm going to change. And as of today, I'm down to 314.
That's freaking awesome.
All because, I took the advice. I went on your site, found the calories, and found out I was eating less than what. I mean, I was talking to a trainer, and he told me to only eat like 1,700. And I went on, and I went from 17 eating to 2,800. And I've been able to lose the weight because of that. And just been sticking with veggies and meat.
I love it. Like, the fact that's what's going to stick with me. Like, every phone call, every conversation I have with somebody, there's always one thing that sticks with me. And the crazy part to me is you're literally in the hospital watching the lives, watching my TikToks, and you said, if I get out of this, I'm going to start.
Yep, and that's exactly what I did, because for me, from the doctors telling me, okay, yeah, we really don't think you're going to make it. You're probably going to have to go on the ventilator. And luckily, I didn't have to go on the ventilator. Granted, I was on oxygen for about three and a half months. But once I got off of oxygen, I started to go to the gym, started to lift and do cardio and eat healthy. And I'm still doing all that. And I just keep losing the weight. And it's honestly like the best feeling.
That's amazing. Like, you were literally told you weren't going to live. Like, it is amazing to me that you said, fuck that, I'm going to do this. And you've continued doing it.
Mm-hmm. And, like, for me, I've realized, it's not a diet. It's a lifestyle change. And I wish more people would understand that if you want to change, you can. But you have to, and like you have said, you have to know your why. And, I mean, for me, my why was I didn't want to be back in that situation that I was in. But I just wanted to call and tell you, like, thank you, because your videos, your lives have helped me so much. And, I mean, I'm going to continue this lifestyle until I reach the weight that I want. And even then, I'm still going to stick with it.
Good. I'm glad you said that, because that's the thing. People could lose weight, people could get results, but it comes back quickly for people. And
yeah,
that's why the why is so important, and that's why you have to have long-term whys, not just short-term. And that's why I hate when people are like, oh, I'm going to lose weight for this wedding, I'm going to lose weight for the reunion. That's one date. What's going to happen after?
Exactly. It's only for one day. Like, you have to stick with it if that's what you truly want. And until you find your why, you're never going to change.
Yeah, it's insane. That's awesome, man. Like, you've done what people can't do. So many people would have just quit and gave up right then and there.
Oh, absolutely. There's no doubt.
So many people.
I just wanted to call and give you my little story. So
little, man, that story's amazing. That ain't little. Literally changed your life.
Absolutely. But thank you again.
Hey, you got it. Don't thank me though. You made the changes. You did what other people can't do.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. So, all right. Well, I'm gonna stop talking. So you have a good rest of your day.
Hey, you got it, man. Keep doing what you're doing. I'm proud of you.
Yep. Thank you.
Yep. Hey, it's okay to get choked up on this stuff, guys. It's okay to get choked up. This weight loss, oh my God, it's crazy.